Okay, it is called by the name the lambda particles, sigma particles, lambda particles, sigma particles, okay, xi particles, omega particles. Like this it can be divided. Okay, I will show it. See that. This is the classification. If you are writing this much, you will get 3 marks. Some occasion 5 marks. I think last March examination it has been asked for 5 marks question. Writing this much you will get 5 marks. See that it is very easy to comprehend, very easy to write also. Hyperons can be further divided into lambda particles, sigma particles, xi particles, omega particles, like that it has been divided. Okay, understood the concept? Yes. Next concept, important idea, that is, now we are asking some, what is that, reactions will be given, whether what is that, charge is conserved, strangeness is conserved, baryon number is conserved or not. We are asking maybe 5 marks or 4 marks question we are asking, 4 marks problem we are asking. Before taking up that one, first I will write B. Wherever if I am writing, B is called by the name baryon number. Don't forget, is called by the name the baryon number. Hoping that you are writing in a sheet of paper, you have to write all these concepts. Baryon number. Le if I am writing is called by the name E lepton number. E lepton number. Le is called by the name the E lepton number. L mu is called by the name mu lepton number. Mu lepton number, this is. Capital S if I am writing, it is called by the name strangeness. Okay. Capital Y if I am writing, it is hypercharge. If I am writing capital I, it is isospin quantum number. Isospin quantum number. Remember these ideas. Remember these concepts. If you are aware of these concepts here, then further we can take up the ideas. This is the classification. Okay. These are the different numbers that I have written. You are supposed to understand about this. You have to remember this. Okay, yes. Next concept. What the question that we are going to frame in the case of a reaction, how we are going to answer. To explain that concept, okay, we are supposed to consider a table. The table, no other way, you have to remember this. This table you are supposed to remember. This table. Okay, this table you are supposed to remember. What is that? I have given a table. Leptons are given here. E neutrino, mu neutrino, electron muon. Mesons are given. Pion, cation, eta meson. And don't forget, somewhere else I wrote it now. Still we can write classification. Still we can write the classification here. Mesons, pions means that is positive pi meson, negative pi meson, neutral pi meson, pi naught. Okay, cation is present here. They are called by the name the cions. There are 3 and it has been divided into eta meson like this. It has been divided. Mesons further can be divided into positive pi meson, neutral pi meson, negative pi meson. Cions are present. Cions can be divided into 2 categories again. K plus, K minus. New eta mesons can be divided onto only eta mesons only. Eta is not having any charge. Eta is having only zero charge. Eta meson, kaons, K plus, K minus. Pi meson, positive pi meson, negative pi meson, neutral pi meson. Like this, further mesons can be divided. So anyhow, come back to the concept here. These are the ideas we have to remember. Spin, baryon number, E lepton number, I told you already, mu lepton number, strangeness, hypercharge. I is called by the name the isospin. Hypercharge, strangeness, this is L mu lepton number, E lepton number, capital B, baryon number, spin, this is a symbol, this is a particle. Okay, if you don't know these ideas, if you don't know these concepts, we cannot solve the problem. Problem cannot be solved. Okay. Proton, neutron, hyperon, sigma hyperon. Okay, this is hyperon, another type of hyperon. This is omega hyperon. Okay. Xi hyperon, lambda hyperon, lambda particles, sigma particles, Xi particles, this is omega particles. Okay, go through all these things quickly, finish it off. I will take up one or two problems. One or two problems in the sense very simple. Okay, just I will write that question, you can answer it, or I will explain that one, just to see that. Okay, number one. Okay, what is one more question it has been asked in the previous years. In the previous years, one more question it has been asked. Which are the conservation of laws under elementary particles? This is the question it has been asked. Conservation laws for elementary particles. Okay, 3 marks question it has been asked. Last March examination, they asked this question. Means 3 conservation laws, if you are writing, you will get 3 marks. Which are those things? Number 1, conservation of charge. Number 2, conservation of lepton number. Number 3, conservation of baryon number. Number 4, conservation of isospin quantum number. Number 5, conservation of hypercharge. Number 6, conservation of strangeness. Okay, if you are writing any 3 here, you will get 3 marks. Okay, right? Majority student, they have answered all these things because the chapter itself is very easy chapter. Only thing is we have to read, we have to comprehend, and we have to read properly. Now let us consider some problem here now. Some problems, 1 or 2 problems, let us see that, so that you can understand. For example, number 1. You see that whether this condition, this formula, P plus P is the proton, give rise to P plus P plus antiproton. This is antiproton production of antiproton. Charge number, is it conservation of charge holds good or not? We have to see. Is there any conservation of charge holds good or not? We have to see. Proton, is it right? Proton, antiproton. Proton, where it is present? We have to see. Where is proton is present? Here. Nucleon, proton. Correct? For proton, Okay, what is to be taken here? Charge. Charge conservation I supposed to consider, is it right? Charge of a proton is +1. All of us we know that charge of a proton is +1. Here it is +1. This is +1. This is +1. This is +1. This is having -1. So -1 + 1 is equal to 0 here. 1 + 1 is equal to 2. Here 1 + 1 is equal to 2. Correct now? This +1, -1 get neutralized. +1 + 1 + 2, +1 + 1 + 2. Therefore, there is conservation of charge. In this reaction, there is conservation of charge. There is conservation of charge. Okay, number 2, example number 2. One more example. Let us consider this equation. Cation give rise to pi plus electron E minus plus nu E. Okay, in this case, is there any conservation of lepton number? E lepton number, is it conserved? Let us see that. E lepton number, is it conserved or not conserved? We are asking the question. E lepton number in this reaction, is it conserved? Conservation of E lepton number, conservation of lepton number, is it possible? You have to see that. One is E lepton number, one more is there now, that is mu lepton number. Mu lepton number, both we have to think. E lepton number first, K E lepton number, K E lepton number. See that this is E, this is cation. Lepton number for the cation is 0. Muon number for the cation is 0. Right? But for this one it is equal to something. E lepton number, here it is 0. Mu lepton number is also 0. Okay. Now we have to think, both the sides it must be equal to 0, then only it is conserved. If it is not equal to 0, it is not conserved. Pi plus, we are having pi plus E minus nu. Okay. Pi plus Le, pi plus Le 0, L mu 0. Pi plus Le 0, L mu 0. Then electron. Where is that electron? Here. Electron. Le plus 1. L mu 0. Le plus 1. L mu 0. Le plus 1. L mu 0. Right. Nu E. Nu means it is, what is that nu? Neutrino.